Hey folks, I'm back. I just want to share with you a little bit of my backstory history or whatnot. My name's Lee. I'm Veteran Headlight Pro. So one of the things I'm trying to do is get my channel monetized, my YouTube channel. If you look at one of my videos, one of the polishing videos I have, there's well over 100,000 views on there. So in order to get monetized on YouTube, you have to get 4,000 watch hours, which is a lot, but I'm almost there. I'm about 105 watch hours short. The other criteria is that you have to have 1,000 subscribers. No, that's the hard part, because a lot of people just watch your video and don't hit that subscribe button, right? I understand, I've done it myself. So all I'm asking, you don't even have to watch the videos. Those hours are going to accumulate over time. But the subscriber count is the thing that's holding me back right now. So I'm at 120 something subscribers at the time of this video. So I need roughly 800 and some change subscribers. You know, the like button, subscribe button, easy money, easy to do. Push the button. You don't even have to watch the rest of my videos. Just subscribe to it and ignore them for the rest of your life if you have to. So I'm trying to get to that monetization point, right? So I can get ad revenue from ads that they throw in my videos. I have one video I believe is roughly 38,000. I just posted one yesterday of a video of me walking the parts yard. So I like to walk the parts yard. That's where I practice a lot of my harder like headlight restorations. If you start one, like a headlight restoration business, don't practice on customers' cars. That's crazy. Go to a junkyard, practice on those. They don't really mind. You're not doing any damage to the headlight. You're probably going to end up doing, the worst thing you can do is make it look better, right? As they sit out there sometimes for 6 months or more, nobody buys them. Trust me, I've been production supervisor at 2 different locations, 2 different parts yards, and headlights they don't sell. Most people don't buy them, so they're not gonna bitch about you going out there and practicing on some headlights. They got enough shit to worry about without worrying about you doing some headlights for them. All you're going to do is make them look better and probably make them more sellable by cleaning them up for them. But really, that's about it. I just really need to see if we can get a little help. I need help. That's all I'm asking for. Just a little help on them subscribe buttons. I know most people don't just subscribe to anything. I'm trying to put out some decent content, but I'm no videographer. I'm not a professional YouTuber. I'm just a fucking blue-collar guy trying to make it. Business is slow. So I'm trying to add, revenue streams to my business. So I got a couple of affiliate links to like Amazon products, the stuff that I use, and then I got another couple working on a couple other things. So there's a company called Black Rhino Shine. It's a car care company. They got some products that I'm hoping to use here shortly. They're gonna ship me a few products just to give it a try. I've been watching their videos. I've been watching their Facebook group. Looks very promising. So I'm hoping to get into that. But really, I need these. I'm trying to get this monetization. YouTube monetization would help me out greatly, especially in this coming winter season, because I'm a mobile business. So getting out there in the wintertime trying to do some headlights in Nevada, because it does snow and it lasts for a while. We get quite a bit of snow here. We'll have 3 days of snow and 1 day of shine. So during the storms or during the winter season, you don't get a lot of business, especially being a mobile business. Doing headlights, all right? You can't be doing headlights and clear coating them with snow packed on top of the vehicle. Anyway, I just wanted to see if you guys could help me out a little bit. I do appreciate you. I appreciate everybody who subscribed already, and all those thousands of fucking people, or 100,000 plus people who have viewed my my couple videos. I know they're not the best quality, but I'm doing it on my phone and I'm learning as I go. So thank you very much. I appreciate all of you who liked them, who commented on the videos, who watched the videos. Like I said, there's two criteria: 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. So the watch hours is climbing every day, getting at least 1,500 to 2,000 views across my channel as a whole. It's just, you know how it is, people. You watch videos and you don't hit that subscribe button, and that's really where I'm hurting, is the subscribers. As I get more subscribers and more views and stuff like that, more people purchasing through my Amazon links to the products that I use, I'll be able to get myself a GoPro or whatnot, make better videos, higher quality videos. I have scripts running through my head all the time about videos, but finding the time and stuff like that, and the equipment to get them done. I'm sorry, I'm driving right now. Is a bit of a hassle right now, but like I said, I appreciate everybody who watched this video, subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you all. Thank you very much. God bless our troops. I know we got a lot of craziness going on in the world today, so you see a man and woman in uniform, buy them a cup of coffee, pay for their meal, tell them thank you, because those folks are most likely going to end up in another war here shortly. So God bless them all. All the ones deployed, all the ones that have deployed in the past, all you disabled veterans, I fucking love you. I truly do. I spent 8 years in Kuwait as a civilian after I got out. I went over to Kuwait for 8 years, worked military support contracts as a civilian, worked on the mine-resistant ambush protected vehicle program for 5 years, and loved it, because that job had meaning for me personally, because I knew we were sending trucks that could survive an IED blast, sending those out to all of our Marines. Fucking love my Marines. I was Army. We like to fuck with you, but goddamn it, I love you guys. Marine Corps guys. My brother was an Air Force fella. Love those guys too. Air Force, Navy, Marine Corps, Army. Love you all. God bless you all you veterans. Fucking love you too. Remember, if you're having problems, veterans, I know a lot of you boys have PTSD and stuff coming back from Iraq, Afghanistan, or even previous wars back in the day. I met a Vietnam vet. I did his headlights about last week or so. He was a Marine Corps Vietnam vet. He was a tunnel rat in Vietnam. That's a bad dude right there. You gotta have some cojones to fucking do that job. So I did one set of headlights. He wanted me to do two. So I did one set of headlights for him. And then he didn't want me to do the second one because, he maybe he didn't have the money to pay for the second one. So I buffed them all out for free, gave him back some shine on his headlights. We got to talking. We chatted for about 40 minutes. He was telling me some stories. You know, you see one of these old veterans, it says Vietnam on his ball cap, Vietnam vet. Shake his fucking hand, man. Show some respect. Even, you know, Iraq vets, Operation Enduring Freedom, all these guys. Show them fuckers some respect, okay? They've seen shit, done shit that none of you will possibly ever have to deal with because they dealt with it for you. You know what I'm saying? Show them some love. That's all I'm saying. Show some love to your veterans. They do a job that nobody should have to do. If there was peace in this fucking country, this world, war does crazy things to people. Alright, love you guys. Thank you for listening. If you listen this far, you're a patient man or woman. But I wish you all the best. Thank you very much. Appreciate you tuning in, looking at my videos. God bless y'all and thank you.